Welcome to Review the Best Buy, your trusted source for honest product reviews. Today, we're excited to introduce you to the versatile and practical drum machines for music production, the perfect solution for indoor and outdoor organization. There are many products available to choose from, drum machines for music production, each with various characteristics, benefits, and prices. To help you make a perfect decision, I did comprehensive research, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best drum machines for music production from dependable brands. After deep research, I found these products very helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's dive into the video. Number 1. Akai Professional MPC Live Durm Machines for Music Production. Discover the Akai Professional MPC Live, the ultimate drum machine and music production tool for beatmakers and producers. This standalone MPC combines a powerful multi-core system with the versatility of a sampler, drum machine, and MIDI controller. Featuring 16 velocity-sensitive RGB pads, a 7-inch high-resolution multi-touch display, and touch-capacitive encoders, it's designed for intuitive music creation. With a built-in stereo studio monitoring system, the MPC Live lets you hear every detail of your production, from deep bass lines to crisp highs. Its comprehensive connectivity options include USB, MIDI, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and CV/gate outputs, making it perfect for any studio setup. Experience the convenience of an onboard rechargeable battery, USB audio interface, and integrated splice access for seamless sample browsing. Whether in the studio or on the go, the MPC Live empowers you to create whenever inspiration strikes. Unlock a full month of Splice Creator with your purchase and elevate your music production game. Number 2. Arturia DrumBrute Impact Analog Durm Machines for Music Production. Explore the Arturia DrumBrute Impact, a powerful analog drum machine designed for music producers and musicians seeking raw energy and dynamic sound. Compact yet mighty, it delivers 10 punchy, high-energy analog sounds with the ability to shape your tone using the exclusive color sound shaping feature. Add harmonic content, drive, and snap to your beats, or use the built-in distortion for extra crunch. The DrumBrute Impact offers a user-friendly sequencer perfect for creating complex polyrhythms or straightforward beats. Use the touch strip for real-time beat remit breakdowns and enhance your grooves with the swing feature. Its separate accent per drum and song mode for chaining patterns allow for versatile beatmaking. With a range of sync and connectivity options, including MIDI and multiple bus outputs, you can integrate it seamlessly into your setup. Get hands-on with this tactile, screen-free drum machine and unleash your creativity in music production. Number 3. Yamaha MODX6 Workstation Durm Machines for Music Production. Discover the Yamaha MODX6, a powerful workstation designed for musicians and producers who want to elevate their music production. Featuring GHS-weighted action, the keys are heavier in the low end and lighter in the high end, mimicking an acoustic piano feel. The AWM2 Advanced Wave Memory 2 engine delivers stunning sampled bass subtractive synthesis, while the FMXS engine offers 8-operator FM synthesis for dynamic sound creation. With MODX motion control, you can simultaneously control up to 128 parameters, giving you the power to shape your live sound like a maestro. The MODX6 also includes the latest MODS OS, adding new voices, live sets, and features for an enhanced music-making experience. Whether on stage, in the studio, or streaming, the MODX6 stands out with its innovative technology from Yamaha's flagship Montage synthesizer. Compact and lightweight, it's perfect for artists who need a versatile and expressive tool for any performance or production. Number 4. Teenage Engineering Durm Machines for Music Production. Explore the Teenage Engineering EP133 Koii, the next evolution in drum machines for music production. This powerful sampler and sequencer, built on the success of the legendary PO33KO pads, offers enhanced sampling capabilities, pressure and velocity-sensitive pads, and a fully reworked sequencer for an intuitive music-making experience. Record and sample sounds from your surroundings, your voice, or your favorite audio sources, and create beats with preloaded drums, bass, and keys. The Koii sequencer engine lets you build and experiment with 4 groups into 99 patterns, making it easy to swap patterns and discover the perfect combination for your tracks. Designed for live performance, the Koii includes stereo effects, punch-in 2 effects, and a multifunctional fader for real-time control. With features like built-in mic, line in or out, sync options, and a portable design powered by AAA batteries or USB-C, the Koii is a versatile tool for any music producer. Number 5. Donner Electronic Durm machines for music production. Unleash your creativity with the Donner DE20 electronic drum machine, designed for both performance and entertainment. Featuring high-quality sound samples from real drum sources, it offers 7 drum sets, 12 demo songs, and 9 accompaniments, delivering an authentic drumming experience. The DE20 boasts 2.2-watt stereo dual speakers for powerful sound and adjustable volume levels. Its 180-second recording function lets drummers capture moments of inspiration and enhance their creativity. Made from soft silicone, the drum pad reduces noise, making it ideal for quiet practice with 3.5mm headphone output. With MIDI connectivity and USB MIDI out, you can produce music or play games on your computer or connect external speakers for family fun. Enjoy 40 free drum lessons from Melodics, guiding you from beginner to advanced levels. Portable and easy to store, the DE20 is the perfect gift for kids and adults alike, inspiring music creation and enjoyment. And that's all from my end. I prepare beneficial videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel. If you require more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Invest in quality and transform your dream with the best product. Stay updated with our best products, as it will make your life so much easier than earlier.